The spoon works. 2 mascaras are kind of expensive. I think it's only like $5.
Wait, scooch.
No! Hey guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I'm taking Christmas pictures with my sister. I'm going to show you how I get ready for that, what I use for my makeup. We were going to take them yesterday, so I filmed a little bit yesterday of like what I did. I haven't done my eyebrows. They're looking a little crusty. I have to pluck them a little bit, so we're going to do that. Oh my gosh, why can't I get this out? There we go. I feel like the top part of your eyebrow is the hardest one to like align. Still learning how to do that. So I plucked them. I think they're okay. Like I didn't do like a fabulous job, but who cares? Now I'm gonna go in with this. I think it's by the brand Flawless and it's a little brow trimmer. I really like this. I only use this when I can't get the little hairs that are just about to grow in, so let's do that. And now I'm gonna shave my little mustache. Everyone has a little peach fuzz and that's fine, but I like taking mine off, so I use this. Again, it's the same brand, Flawless. It doesn't hurt at all. It's super good and I use it maybe once or twice a week. That is done. Alright, done. So my eyebrows look like this. I feel like this one's like a little bit sore right here, but whatever, it'll go away. So this is a lotion that I use. It has hyaluronic acid in it. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond for like $5 and it's a huge container. So we like that. I first put lotion on my face. I read somewhere that you're supposed to put lotion on and rub upwards. You're not supposed to rub it in down because it causes premature wrinkles. I don't know if that's true or not, but I've been doing that for the past few weeks and I feel like my lotion rubs in a lot better. Ooh. So now that my lotion is on, we can start. I don't really use foundation or concealer or anything like that on my face. I think for these pictures though, I am going to. I think I'm going to just have my mom cover my scars. I don't really have too many and I usually don't like covering them because I feel like once I take off my makeup, they're like darker. So I literally only use mascara. So basically I'm going to be showing you how I put on my mascara, but I use a spoon to curl my eyelashes. So I'm going to do a how to curl your eyelashes with a spoon tutorial. It's part of how I get ready. So let's do that right now. So yes, I curl my eyelashes with a spoon. People are probably like looking at the screen like, what? That's weird. But I use a baby spoon. It's super thin. If you're going to curl your eyelashes with a spoon, you want a tiny spoon and you want the sides to be as thin as possible. What you want to do is after you put on lotion, your eyelashes are going to be a little bit damp from the lotion, which is good. If you don't put on lotion, I suggest taking some water and just dabbing it on your eyelashes so they're like a little bit wet, moist. I know people hate that word, but sorry, moist. Because I feel like it helps the eyelashes curl better. And then what you do is you take it in your fingers and I hold it like this. I use my thumb and my pointer finger to go like this. So I use this motion on my eyelashes. Let me change the angle so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now we're really up close and personal. I really hope you can see what I'm doing. This is what my eyelashes look like without any mascara or any curling. I just replayed that clip and you can like really tell that my scars are very there, but I don't care. So you're gonna close your eye and then lightly brush the spoon over your eyelashes. See this eye compared to this one? You can definitely tell my eyelashes are curled more here than this one. So that's basically what I do. The reason why I curl it with my spoon is because I feel like with an eyelash curler, when you curl your eyelashes, it only clamps that one spot. So then you have a little like bend in your eyelashes and it just kind of goes like up, which like, I mean, we do want it as high as possible, but this is better for your eyelashes because you're evenly spreading out the pressure or tension, I guess. So I do like this way. It does take a little bit of getting used to. So I'm going to do the other eye really quick and then we're going to keep going. I also do want to mention when you're doing this motion, you're not pulling on your eyelash. The eyelash just sits here and you are the one that moves the spoon. I curl my eyelashes. This is what they look like now. The spoon works. So today I'm doing something different with my mascara. Usually I use 2 different mascaras on my eyelashes. These 2 are both from Maybelline. The first one that I use is Lash Sensational Curvitude by Maybelline, and I use the waterproof one. So usually when I apply this, I do 2 coats on the top and the bottom. After I do 2 coats of this, I will go in with this second one. It's called the Falsies Push Up Angle Mascara. It's also by Maybelline and it's also waterproof. So I usually use these 2 together. If my eyelashes look good with just this one, then I just keep this one. But if they need a little bit more like length or they're not as up, I'll put this one on. It works really well. But today I'm going to be trying out this one. It's called Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It's by Essence. And the reason why I'm trying it out is because I saw this girl on YouTube. Her name is Kenna Marie, and she was doing her makeup, and she said that she tried this mascara and her eyelashes look so good with it. I think it's only like $5 at Ulta, which is way cheaper than these 2. Like, I think this one is about $8, $9 at Target. So we're gonna try this one today and hope for the best. Let's check her out. Ooh, look at that bristle. Is that what they're even called? I don't know. Okay, and then what I do is, this looks ridiculous, but I angle my mirror up so that way I can like see my eyelashes. So I'll go in and I'll try to get as close to my lash line as I can, and I'll wiggle up. So you gotta just keep wiggling and wiggling and wiggling and trust the process. So let's go. Okay, so I'm like terrible at putting on mascara, but like I already got some on my eyelid, but this is 1 coat. Honestly, not bad. We're trying to get length here and volume. Okay, I must say I really like these bristles. I feel like it really latches onto my eyelashes. Okay, so this is both eyes, only the top lashes, 1 coat. Okay, this is top and bottom, only 1 coat. I think they look pretty good. And I'm actually not doing too bad, like not getting it all over my eyelids, so that's great. I also do want to note that that 1 coat, I only had dipped in the brush 1 time. Oh, now I got it on my eyelid. But this is 2 coats on this side, 1 coat on this side. Okay. I think I'm just gonna like add a little bit to the tips of them and then clean this mascara up and then show you what it looks like. Alright, now that this is a big mess, we're gonna clean it up. So we're gonna take some of my lotion and use a little Q-tip. Oh my god, I got it like everywhere. So I forgot to say, but usually after I put lotion on my face, I brush on my eyebrows, and I didn't do that. I'm like looking at the mascara, I feel like it looks kind of like what my normal mascara would come out as, but I like this one because it's cheaper. Like, let me show you. So I feel like my right eye came out a little bit like but I mean, you're not gonna be able to tell in the picture, and I don't even really care because this is the first time I'm putting this type of mascara on. Again, I like these 2, but obviously 2 mascaras are kind of expensive, and 1 alone of Maybelline is expensive. So if I could switch out these 2 for just this, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, that's all I really do for makeup. Again, I might check in later and have my mom cover my scars just so that they don't really show. And I have like a little pimple right here, but whatever. My face is also kind of red right here because my skin's like really dry, so the lotion is like irritating it a little bit, but that'll go away later. So if you're like, why is her face so red? That is why. And I'll check back in later when I get my outfit and put everything together. Here is my outfit. My shirt is from Loft. It's actually new. I've never worn it before. And my jeans are from Banana Republic, and my boots are from DSW. My sister and I actually have matching boots, so hopefully she'll wear them with me. I don't even think you're gonna be able to see them in the picture, but it's the effort that counts. So my hair dried pretty good today too, so that's nice. I actually have a hair routine video coming out explaining how my hair gets like this.
poquito de maquillaje.
No, like I just want you to cover up the scars. I don't.
Pues sí, pero te tengo que pasar un poquito de polvo para que se
Yeah.
desvanezca todavía más.
No, that's fine. I didn't want the scars
Es que
to
mira,
be.
ahorita tienes bonito color en las mejillas.
Oh, thanks, Mom. I'm natural.
¿Ya?
Oh God.
I'm going flash blind from the
And you
flash
think
coming
that we
back
aren't?
through the camera. I know. Yeah. I'll put it later. It's fine. Somehow you guys gotta get a little, like, stagger in a little. There you go.
Oh, what? Do you want me to be like this? Like this? No.
No,
You
no,
stay
no,
how
no, no.
you
You
are.
gotta stay there because.
You come in closer to me.
Yeah.
You come in closer to me this way. No! You keep your legs where you were, but scoot.
Scooch.
No!